Good afternoon. My name is Sinvan, edit number 3212, and today I shall discuss marketing of vegetables. I am honored to present my video task to Dr. Tanveer Hussain, who is my course teacher. So, first of all, knowing about market scenario is very important. Finding an outlet to sell your produce as well as marketing your fruit and vegetables are vital if you want to switch from growing for your self subsistence to making money from your efforts. But as many growers have found, this one is more easier and has said to be done. For one thing, marketing your fruits and vegetables involves planning. Find a market before planning your crop. In other words, it's not a case of growing the vegetables then finding somewhere else to sell them. You first need to find out what's needed, the demand, then you must plan for the required quality and correct quantity and make sure you can provide a continuous supply of your outlet. This last point is very important when marketing your fruit and vegetables. Think how hard it would be if you had to find a new outlet for your produce every month. It's the same with markets. They need to know you can supply them what they want on a regular basis. So there must be continuity of quality, quantity and supply. There are many projects to help emerging farmers market their produce, but do some research on your own to know what options you have, especially since they are in decisions you have to make before planning your crop. In this way, you'll get the best out of project you choose. Here is a brief overview of the markets available to a fruit and vegetable producer. National Fresh Produce Markets. Farmers can sell their products on any of the 16 fresh produce markets around the country. These markets usually encourage farmers to use agents, people who sell your produce for you. A good agent will work hard to get the best possible price for you. A 7.5% levy is paid to the agent while the market opens the special account for each new farmer. The new income from the produce sold is set to the account one day after the sale. Produce should be packed in bags or crates. Chain stores. Chain stores like Spar and Pick and Pay buy vegetables from a farmer with the proven ability to deliver fresh produce throughout the season. Contracts are negotiated every year. Some stores require that the produce be kept in a cold room on the farmer and transported in a refrigerated truck. You must also have to ensure that pre-package and label according to the store's specifications. Quality standards are normally high. The store may give technical support to the contract grower. Greengrocers. Greengrocers pay produce in bulk and add value by repacking it into smaller bags. They may enter into contracts with farmers to supply specific produce. In formal markets, some hawkers buy directly from producers. Competition is strong and profit margins are usually low, but the informal trade offers a good opportunity for the small producer of quality vegetables. Export. There are a lot of rules and regulations when it comes to entering the export market. The National Agriculture Marketing Council can provide information about the requirements if this is optional for you. Some farmers, such as cash grain farmers or daily farmers, have large, well established markets. They can use existing organizations to perform the marketing function for them, or they can band together, form a cooperative, and market their products jointly. Small scale fruit and vegetable growers generally have more difficulty finding in established markets. Therefore, they usually develop marketing systems tailored to their unique situations. Major markets. Fruit and vegetables are produced seasonally, but the market requires products throughout the year. For many decades, this problem of matching product availability with consumer demand was solved in two ways: selling fresh products during harvest and shortly thereafter processing the rest to meet demand during the rest of the year. As technology improved and consumer income increased, it became possible to provide fresh produce year around. American consumers now affect fresh tomatoes, strawberries, and sweet corn every month of the year. In addition, a strong demand remains for processed fruits and vegetables. Fresh markets, increased consumer incomes, and year-round demand for fresh produce force retailers or the representatives to establish buying points both in differently growing areas of the Pakistan and foreign countries. Some retailers contract year-round with fresh fruit and vegetable packers who may in turn contract with growers. Contracts and large volume buying practices enable packers to obtain sufficient quantities of individual products. Large fresh fruit and vegetable packers may contract with growers in several different production regions to ensure that fresh fruit and vegetables are available every year of the season. These packers generally contract only in regions with a large number of growers. Good agriculture practices and good handling practices are voluntary programs that you may wish to pursue for your operation. The idea behind these programs is to ensure a safer food system in light of previous outbreaks of foodborne illness resulting from contaminated products. Also, some major food distribution chains are beginning to require GAP and GHP certified products from their producers. Many of the requirements concern worker hygiene, use of manure, and the quality of the water supply used for irrigation and washing produce. These programs will require an expenditure of your state Department of Agriculture, and there are fees associated with the inspection. Prior to an inspection, you will need to develop and implement a food safety plan and design someone to oversee this plan. One component of the certification is that you will need to have your water supplies checked at least twice a year. Another component is field sanitation for harvest workers. Among other considerations, for more information about the GAP GHP programs, consult your local extension office, your state Department of Agriculture, or USDA's Agriculture Marketing Service. Thank you very much for your precious time. Jazakallah.